You need to watch this if you love delicious recipes. Subscribe now to Culinary Recipe Creations for mouthwatering recipes every week. Don't forget to like and comment below. Happy cooking!
You need to watch this if you struggle with boring lunches. I've got the perfect solution for you. Mediterranean chickpea pita pockets. Start with a can of chickpeas, rinse and drain them well. Next, chop up some juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and vibrant bell peppers. Toss in some finely chopped red onion and fresh parsley for that extra zing. Now, for the dressing, squeeze fresh lemon juice. Add a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a touch of black pepper. Mix it all together until everything's coated in that tangy goodness. Stuff this flavorful mix into fluffy pita pockets, and voila! You've got a delicious, healthy lunch ready to go. If you loved this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Culinary Recipe Creations for more tasty ideas. Happy cooking!
If you're drooling over that recipe, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to tap that notification bell for tasty updates. We hope you enjoyed this video from Culinary Recipe Creations. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.